Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. A sign-up form on your landing page has to have more than just a place for people to fill out their name and their email. You gotta give them a reason to sign up to it in the first place. A great way to do this is also a simple way, just by adding some text to your sign-up form or your landing page, giving people a reason to sign up. Here, let's start by picking a landing page. We'll pick a real simple one. And this one's already got a sign-up form built in. And you'll also see that on this particular template, we have instructions here built into the filler text that basically tells you what you should fill out here. So first, let's do a headline. We'll say, sign up to my newsletter and get amazing travel tips, discounts on flights, and more. Now, of course, that's not all. We want to add a little bit more information, and below here we can add a little bit more details specifying what people are getting. We also want to make sure that we highlight the benefit, why people should sign up to our list and what they're getting out of it. So let's add some more text in here. Here we'll give a little bit of background about who we are and kind of give people some idea of why we started this newsletter. And then below in those bullet points, we'll be able to list out some of the things they're going to be getting in that email. So we've got that. Let's head on to the bullet points. So we'll let people know that when they sign up, they'll receive. You know what? Let's change that out, actually. So let's say when you sign up, you can expect, because we're setting expectations here, we'll say my newsletter mailed out every week. So we're setting people's expectations in terms of how often they'll get our emails. We'll let them know what's in the email, kind of reiterating what we talked about in the headline. And then it's important to make sure people understand the benefit, what they're going to get out of signing up to your email list. So we'll let people know that with this info, they're never going to have a hassle while traveling. One more thing, we'll add a little bit of an incentive. This is pretty good, but let's give people another reason to sign up. An incentive could be anything. A PDF, a white paper, a discount, anything to get people kind of interested even more in signing up. In this case, let's say we're giving off a 50% off voucher on select flights. Let me just correct some of that spelling here. There we go. So we can even highlight this a little bit if we wanted to, maybe bold it. You know, even underline it too, just to call some more attention to that special incentive. Now you may wonder, how do you deliver the incentive like this? Well, one way is through the automated email people get when they sign up to this list. So we'll add an email. And then in that email, we can do things like add a link to our incentive. It could be that simple. So we could say, get your 50% off here. And then we could just simply highlight that and then link to the incentive. You know what? This email itself could even be the incentive, or if you wanted to, if there's something more physical like downloadable, you can attach that incentive to this email. Another way that you could offer an incentive is actually just whip up a brand new page real quick. Here, we'll take out this buy button. We'll just make it a regular button for people to download. We could then offer this page to people when they sign up. Immediately after they sign up, they're taken to the page, they could click this button and download the incentive from there. And the way we would hook this up is, let me give this a name, we'll just say coupon page real quick. I'll give that a save. We'll publish that page. Copy it to our clipboard. And then back on our landing page, we're just going to click on the sign up form. And then under submission on the right, from our thank you page drop-down menu, we'll change it to custom URL and then add the URL. So now anybody filling out that form is taken right to that page where they can download that incentive. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.